Hello. Welcome to post-run sweet treats. Today we're going to attempt to be making a healthier, high-protein version of a cookie dough slice. Naked Harvest posted this recipe and I've just taken it. Hopefully it tastes just as good as they say, because I don't actually have any of Harvest's protein powder, but we'll see. I have all the ingredients. Let's just like pray this goes well. Also, this was my running fit today. It's a bit cold. I didn't run in the jacket. Run fit. LSKD, citrine underneath, LSKD, crop, also LSKD. First thing you're gonna need, some almond flour. This was so hard to find, what the heck. And slow-key spenny. Granted, I haven't even bought like normal flour. I don't even know how much normal flour is. I need 2 cups of almond flour. One cup. Two cups. Guys, it's gluten free. I actually don't think this, I was gonna say this guys is so gluten free. No, just the almond flour is gluten free. It's a good source of calcium, good source of protein, good source of fiber. I didn't know that, but slay. I'm gonna also be cleaning as I go. Let me just put this away. Next, we're gonna need some protein powder. I'm going to be trying the Emerald Labs whey protein vanilla cream. Bought this from Elite Subs. The girl recommended it because I said that I'm really picky with my protein powder. The OGs know that my favorite protein powder, vanilla protein powder, is Bow Science, but we're gonna give this Emerald Lab one a try. You need half a cup. Did I not cut this down long enough? Let's have a sneak. It smells very similar to their caramel cookie one. Don't mind me, just. Let's mix together the only 2 dry ingredients. I think this is potentially, I don't know anything about dietary needs. We have some coconut oil. We need a 1/4 cup. Oh my god, that smells really good actually. Apparently also, you can put this in your mouth, swish around, and it like helps to whiten your teeth. Is that true? Because if so, I will be doing it. Because, damn, it smells really, I mean, it's coconut. I love coconut. Yep, okay. That's good. Okay, well, now I'm gonna have to wash this spoon. Pause. Okay, and then you also need a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I almost accidentally bought maple flavored syrup instead of maple syrup. Oh my god, I can't open it. Oh! Right when I was about to call out to the boy. Okay, and then the last ingredient, oh, 2 more, lies. We need half a cup of peanut butter. We are using this protein spongy, because that's just the protein powder peanut butter we like. So. Oh no, I've done goofed a little bit. No, okay. Sometimes I do wish they were just in grams, but we're gonna attempt to mix it. I feel like maybe we should have melted the coconut. I didn't read the instructions, I just read the ingredients, guys. I thought the protein, oh no. Oh no, the peanut butter also might need to be melted. Uh-oh. If I put it in the microwave now, am I gonna like burn something? The room temp's got it. The room temperature's got it. I think I should have melted the coconut oil. This is what I get for not reading the instructions and just taking a screenshot of the ingredients and then like hoping I figured it out. This is gonna take me a long time to mix. I do have a sneaky suspicion that I should have melted that coconut oil. Y'all can flame me in the comments. It's fine. I'm just chopping it up. It's also not the hottest of days right now, so I can't even like be like, yep, setting up it. Okay, it does. Oh my god, my arm hurts. Guys, make sure you read instructions, don't just wing it. I don't think this munchy peanut butter is helping either. It's not my bowl, I don't want to wreck it. I reckon if I push this down in the pan, it'll come together. Now I can add some chocolate chips, and I'm gonna make it with my damn heart. I was thinking like in my head about 50 grams. I'm using dark chocolate chips too, by the way. taste. That is Aldi dark chocolate chips. I feel like it'd be so much better with like Cadbury. Cost of living crisis. I don't even know if there's room in the fridge for me to put this. Should we try some? I say yes. I feel like I can just taste each individual ingredient. Like I can taste the almond flour, I can taste the breading powder, I can taste the peanut butter. What if I go right here and add a little bit more maple syrup? Honestly, I don't think this could get any more worse than it is right now. Okay, I think that did something. Because like a bit more wet ingredients, I'm liking the consistency of that a bit better. I hope I can use this one. I'm gonna put some parchment paper down first. Fuck me, I'm blind as a bit. I don't even know if this could be too big already. I'm thinking it might be. Put like half of it in. Let's see if I can. Almost sticking to the wooden spoon. Okay, all it's doing right now is sticking to the wooden spoon. Okay, I'm just gonna put it all in and then I'm gonna use my hands to flatten it. I pinky swear my hands are clean. Also, this is just for me and my boyf. So, okay, it fits in this pan. All's good. I feel like some areas are a little chocolate chip sparse, but that's fine. I swear to God, if this tastes good, I'm making it for everyone. Because that was so easy if you melt the correct ingredient. Or maybe you're not meant to melt it. I don't know. I should probably go read the instructions. Okay, slay. I'm gonna wash my hands now. Must ask boy question. Not yet, I'm still baking. Maybe let's put this in the fridge while I do this. No, that's silly. So now we're gonna make a little chocolatey top. Some dark chocolate, once again, Aldi. And some coconut creme. Oh! Where the fuck's a can opener? I was a can opener. Where would I be? Have I ever used a can opener before? Hell nah. Oh, okay. I think it needs to go this way. Or maybe it does go this way. It seems to be cutting. I might need the boys to come out and help me because I don't know how to use a can opener. Okay, something cut. Something opened. Oh yeah. I'm doing it. What the fuck am I meant to do with this once it's opened? Uh-oh. Why is the lid going in? That doesn't seem right. The lid went like in on itself. Let's try some coconut cream, shall we? I like that. Put a cup. I probably shouldn't lick that. Yeah, I was gonna lick that. Oops. Oh well. Too fucking late now, eh? I actually don't know what to do with the rest of this. I might need a container to put it in. I can't believe I just licked that. That's, oh, you idiot. Let's do half the block. Fuck. It doesn't actually say how much chocolate to do. Anyways, we're gonna put this in for 30-second increments so I don't burn it. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring, number one thing, I would like a ring, diamond that become I'm fearing I might need some more chocolate than this. We're adding one more row. Uh-oh. I just don't think this is gonna be enough. Oh shit, it says shake well before use. I did not shake the coconut cream. I can't tell if I've burned the chocolate, guys. That's not good. It's like not sticking, like the coconut is making it like not stick. Oh no. Okay, so the coconut cream that was left in here, fully burnt. That's fully burnt. Anything and everything that could go wrong today has gone wrong. I'm gonna pop that in this corner. Oh my God, it's a different color. This is what we've been left with. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and then I will come back to taste test it with you. Time to chop it up. Oh, yummy. Do you think yummy? I think yummy. Give me the knife. I think it's gonna be delicious. I reckon cut it this way and then like make bars. What do you reckon? Yeah? Okay, I didn't cut that straight at all. Can you please get me out a container? Would you like to try some? Sure. What piece do you want? What end?
Just the corner.
Let me know how it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Piece 2. Is it giving cookie dough?
Hmm?
Is it giving cookie dough?
No, but it's nice. Feel coconut.
There's coconut in it. We could just eat it.
We're not eating 6 pieces.
Yay! What do you rate my sweet treat? Out of 10.
Sweet.
Would you want me to make this again? Or no?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks you guys so much for watching my little baking sweet treat post-run thing. This might become a series. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. And until next time, you back. Don't come up here. Okay, bye.